Hello everyone, Michael here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today I want to discuss how and why to develop what I call a cash flow tracker. This will allow you to compare your asset performance to your underwritten projections. Basically, this spreadsheet takes your yearly income and expenses and breaks them down month by month. For example, your year one proforma is an average across the year. Generally speaking, you should expect that for the first 6 months of operation, your net operating income, or NOI, will be below your projected year one proforma, while the second 6 months will be above. There are several reasons for this. One is that the expenses for the first several months will typically be higher with a new property manager as they get settled into operations. Additionally, if the previous owner was a slumlord, you can also expect a high number of maintenance requests within the first several weeks because the previous owner was probably neglecting them, which will also affect your expense ratio. However, operations will improve shortly after takeover as your property manager settles in and the residents become comfortable and familiar with the new management. Keeping this in mind, while reviewing your business plan, you can build out this year one cash flow tracker and determine what income and expenses need to be each month to achieve your year one proforma numbers. This spreadsheet is critical for any asset manager, and it is a great way to analyze the performance of your asset, track variances from month to month, and present your data to your limited partners in your monthly updates. Until next time, explore more, adventure awaits.